Hello students and welcome to today's class. Today we're going to practice the topic we saw last week. So let's begin. Please open your workbook on page 22. This will be the exercise number 23. In the exercise A, you have to write the verb in parentheses in past progressive. For example, the first sentence is Andy in the garden yesterday. So we have to write the verb play in the past progressive, that is, was played. And Andy was playing in the garden yesterday. Please continue with the rest of the sentences. And when you finish, continue with the exercise B. Here you have to read the sentences and circle the correct answer. Please do it. Then in the exercise C, you have to write sentences in past progressive, but you have to use the subjects, verbs, and complements given. Here we have an example that says, I read a book. In past progressive, I was reading a book. Like this, write the rest of the sentences. When you finish, move on to the next page. This will be the exercise number 24. In the exercise A, you have 5 different pictures of 5 different situations. I'm going to play an audio where these people describe their activities. You have to write sentences about these activities. For example, let's listen to the first situation. So we are going to write, Jake was taking a shower. All right, now let's listen to the rest of the sentences. Please pay attention and write the sentences. If you finish, please continue with the exercise B. Here we have some sentences in past progressive in the affirmative form. You have to rewrite them but in negative form. Then in the exercise C, we have some subjects, verbs, and complements. You have to create questions with them. Remember that you're going to start the question with was or were. And you're going to write the verb in the ing form. Like in the first question, we have Rachel feed the cat. Now we're using a singular subject. First, we're going to write was. Then the subject, Rachel, the verb in ing, feeding, the complement, the cat, and the question. When you finish, we'll continue with the next exercise. This will be the exercise number 25. Here you're going to complete the table by writing affirmative, negative, or interrogatory form sentences. For example, here we have this sentence in the negative form. They were not chatting. We have to write it in the affirmative and interrogative form. To write in the affirmative, we only delete the word not. So we have this sentence. They were chatting. Then, in the interrogative form, we have to write where at the beginning and then the rest of the question. So we have a question like this. Were they chatting? All right, please complete the table. When you're done, continue with the next page. Here, this will be the exercise number 26, and here you have to write sentences in past progressive. 6 of them in affirmative and 6 of them in the negative form. And finally, 6 questions. Please write them, and when you finish, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.